Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2021 Polaris Ranger XP 1000 NORTHSTAR. It's got the full hard cab, 4,500 pound winch, heater, wiper, air conditioning. I'm gonna say tires are roughly 50-60% tread. It is in the Polaris Pursuit Camo. Has the tilt assist dump box. It's a real clean machine. Has a dash mount audio kit with AM, FM, Bluetooth capable. Everything works. Wiper washer. Maybe the horn doesn't work. 1,360 hours. 6,542 miles. Gonna take another video of this getting started up, drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always call us at 406-232-3300.